our open air display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, of 76.5 inches, a depth of 31 inches, an overall height 80 inches. Included will be 8 adjustable shelves, 4 to the left and 4 to the right. The measurements for each shelf will include 36.5 inches in length by 14 inches in depth. In one continuous row, the length will be 73.25 inches. Also included for each shelf will be bin tag holders. For the interior bottom level, we have a length of 74 inches in length, a depth of 17.75 inches, and a height of 52 inches tall. 52 inches is to the top of the pull-down curtain. And coming to the left and right ceiling are pull-down curtains. Curtains can be clipped on the bottom, covering your open-air display case. LED strips located on the top left and right ceiling. And located on the top is the ETO NSF certification. Coming to the back is the 220-240 voltage. Coming to the right bottom corner is the temperature control and the operation switches. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.